Imagine waking up one morning with no credit card debt, no late night stress about minimum payments, no interest charges piling up, and finally, the freedom to spend your money how you choose. But right now, you're stuck. Maybe you're juggling 5 credit cards with balances that never seem to go down. You've tried making payments, but it feels like you're running on a treadmill to nowhere. Sound familiar? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to share the exact strategy to break free from credit card debt, and it's surprisingly simple. It's called the Snowball Method, and it works faster than you think. Stick with me until the end, and you'll also learn a secret hack to speed up the process even more. The problem: let's face it, credit card debt is a silent killer of dreams. The average American has over $5,000 in credit card debt, and with interest rates as high as 25%, that debt multiplies faster than you can pay it off. If you keep delaying action, the consequences could be dire: missed payments, lower credit scores, and the sinking feeling of being stuck in a financial black hole. But there's hope, and you don't need a 6-figure income or a financial guru to make it happen. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to pay off that debt faster than you thought possible. Are you ready to reclaim your financial freedom? The journey and process. Step 1. Understand the Snowball Method. Here's how the Snowball Method works. You start by listing all your credit card debts from smallest to largest, regardless of the interest rate. Focus all your energy on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Why? Because success fuels momentum. Paying off even a $500 balance feels amazing and motivates you to tackle the next one. It's like decluttering your closet. Sure, the pile of laundry is overwhelming, but folding just one shirt gives you that tiny dopamine hit. And who doesn't love dopamine? Step 2. Execution plan. Now here's where you need to get serious. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll its payment into the next smallest debt. For example, if you were paying $100 a month on that first card, add it to the $50 minimum payment on your second card. Boom, you're now paying $150 a month on the second card, and you're accelerating your progress. And as each balance disappears, you'll feel unstoppable, like you're finally in control of your financial destiny. But what if you don't have extra money to start this process? Don't worry, I've got a solution for that coming up. Step 3. Find extra cash. Here's the deal. Paying off debt requires cash flow. You don't have to sell your kidney or eat ramen noodles for a year, but small changes can make a big impact. Cancel unused subscriptions. Sell items you no longer need. Pick up a weekend side hustle. Every dollar matters. Remember, the snowball doesn't start rolling unless you give it a push. Now, let me ask you this. What could you do with an extra $200 this month? Seriously, think about it. Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Step 4. Secret hack. Now for the bonus hack I promised you. Call your credit card companies and negotiate. Yes, it's possible to ask for a lower interest rate or a temporary hardship plan. Many people don't realize how willing lenders are to help if you just ask. This could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands in interest over time. But here's the real kicker. The Snowball Method doesn't just eliminate debt. It builds confidence, discipline, and the foundation for lasting wealth. And in the final minute, I'll share what to do once you're debt-free. The resolution and call to action. The reward: freedom from debt. Imagine this: no more minimum payments, no more anxiety, and finally, the chance to build wealth instead of just surviving. The Snowball Method isn't just about paying off debt. It's about proving to yourself that you can take control of your life. Because once you've conquered debt, you're unstoppable. So are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss more life-changing strategies. And remember, it's not about how much you owe, it's about how you take action today to secure your future. The snowball starts small, but when it gains momentum, it's unstoppable, just like you.